Hey everyone, it's Ashley and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be doing an orange eyeshadow look using the Morphe x James Charles palette. So let's get started. I did already prime my eyelids with the Morphe eyelid primer, and I'm going to start by taking the shade 518 and putting that into the crease. Sorry the lighting isn't very good. I usually use natural lighting and it's a bit cloudy out right now. But anyways. Next, I'm going to take the shade Rested and put this on the outer corner and crease. Next, I'm taking a bit more of 518 and I'm just going to blend. For the lid, I'm going to put the shade So Good on the inner portion and the shade Halloween on the mid-outer portion of the lid. I just want to deepen the outer crease or the outer corner a little bit, so I'm going to take a little bit of the shade No Beans and just put that right on the outer corner. For the lower lash line, I'm going to take the shade Rested. I'll finish that up and then I'll be right back. I'm going to use the shade Ring Light as my inner corner highlight. And the last step, of course, is to apply mascara. As I usually do, I'll finish up the mascara on my lower lash line and then I'll be right back. Here is the finished look. That is it for this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. I like how this look came out, and let me know if you have any eyeshadow suggestions or anything that you want me to film. And if you'd like to see more looks with the James Charles palette, I'll link the playlist in the cards. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!